Dear students, audience is a very much important component in the world of media, communication, and journalism. Audience is the most important factor because media depends on their audience. If there is no audience, there is no justification of media. Audience is a subject of mass communication process. The relationship between media and viewers, readers, and listeners is complex, and consequently, audience have become a key area in the field of media and communication research. And you must be aware that television viewers, radio listeners, and newspaper readers all are included in media audience. The results of media activity in relation to the audience can take various forms. The emergence of new ideas, knowledge aspirations, adjustment, addition, development of the already existing knowledge, and displacement of old attitudes. The audience is quite independent. This is very important to know and keep in mind that audience is quite independent. They are no more followers, but they are readers, spectators, listeners of their own free will. If a certain media body meets the information needs of an individual, he remains the composition of his audience. Some of the audience is active in terms of feedback. They turn to the editorial office with advice and questions. Online media gives them power to comment. There are certain types of media audience, but mostly these are two types. First is primary audience and then the secondary audience. The primary audience is the audience that receives information directly from the media. The primary audience broadcasts information received from the media for those who have not had direct contact with the media. This creates a secondary audience. यानी प्राइमरी ऑडियंस वो है जो बराह रास्त मीडिया कंज्यूमर है, मीडिया यूज़ करते हैं, मीडिया को देखते हैं, सुनते हैं, पढ़ते हैं, और उसके बाद वो जब वो इंफॉर्मेशन आगे दूसरे लोगों तक कन्वे करते हैं तो उनको फिर सेकेंडरी ऑडियंस कहा जाता है. एंड देयर इज a concept, two-step model of communication or two-step flow model of communication. It is assumed that in any society, in any social group, along with the majority, there is a number of active, authoritative persons who determine the group consciousness, whose opinion is listened to. According to the two-stage model of persuasion, it is necessary to influence consciousness of these readers. What are the types of media audience? An individual or collective group who read or consume any media product, for example, radio listeners, television viewers, magazine readers, and website viewing. Without audience, there would be no media. Audience of social media are simultaneously audience and content producer. What are their needs and requirements? Your audience is your strength. It brings money to you. It brings revenue for you. It brings value to you. And there is a theory of uses and gratification which states that the actual power lies in the hands of audience and not in the hands of media. And it gives पावर टू ऑडियंस. इस थ्योरी के मुताबिक असल ताकत, असल पावर तो मीडिया ऑडियंस के पास है. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट.